Welcome to 745 Pebble Court, a stunning 4+1 bedroom home with 4 washrooms situated within the well-established and sought-after Amberlea neighbourhood of Pickering. A spacious brick home with a double-car garage, an interlocking walkway and steps lead to the enclosed front entrance, where a double-door entry opens into a foyer finished with polished floor tiles and a reception hall with hardwood flooring and a spiral staircase to the upper level. The bright, open-theme layout of the main level is enhanced with a soft neutral color palette, pot lights, and abundant natural lighting through a multitude of large windows, and the entry hall's hardwood flooring is continued into the living and dining rooms. Open to each other, these formal entertaining spaces showcase the elegance of crown moldings, and the living room's west-facing windows have blackout privacy shades, while the dining room features room darkening sheer shades on its bay window, as well as a gorgeous modern chandelier for ambient lighting. Just off the kitchen area is the sunken family room, which features crown moldings, hardwood flooring, and blackout privacy shades, with this generously sized entertaining space also enjoying the warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by a floor-to-ceiling stacked stone facade. Recently updated, the stunning custom kitchen showcases glass and stone tile backsplashes and granite counters, pendant lighting above a huge island with breakfast seating on 2 sides, dark-colored cabinetry with soft-closing hardware and accented with contemporary drawer and door pulls, a stainless steel dishwasher and a double-wide sink conveniently located with the servery area, as well as a stainless steel wall oven and microwave, a 5-burner gas cooktop with exhaust hood, and a French door fridge with bottom-mount freezer. The kitchen also features crown moldings and light filtering shades on its windows, as well as a walkout onto a raised deck that stretches across the width of the home and which has both a glass railing and privacy walls. And the kitchen's finishing detail are its beautiful polished floor tiles, which are continued into the adjacent laundry room. This well-appointed utility space also features the same granite counters and cabinetry as the kitchen, as well as a front-load washer and dryer, access to the garage, a mosaic tile backsplash, a stainless steel sink, and a French door entry from the kitchen. The powder room has also been finished with polished floor tiles and a floating vanity. Across from it is a double coat closet with mirrored doors, and the spiral staircase to the upper level is illuminated by a modern chandelier and showcases the classic look of hardwood treads with white risers and a railing accented with decorative wrought iron pickets. This level features engineered hardwood flooring and a neutral color palette throughout, 4 spacious and naturally bright bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and 2 linen closets. The second and third bedrooms both have track lighting, good-sized windows, and ample closet storage, and the 4th bedroom, which is at the east end of the hallway, also features track lighting as well as blackout privacy blinds on its 3 windows and a walk-in closet. The first linen closet is off the hallway between the 2nd and 3rd bedrooms, and the 2nd linen closet is found in the 5-piece main washroom, which has been luxuriously appointed with polished floor and shower wall tiles, has a bath area with sliding glass shower doors and a mosaic tiled accent border, while its furniture-style vanity has a stone counter, undermount basins, and a mosaic tiled backsplash. The light-filled east-facing master suite has a large window overlooking the backyard and neighboring green spaces, a contemporary ceiling fan with a remote, as well as a walk-in closet and a dressing area off the hall to the ensuite washroom. Upgraded in 2019, this luxurious spa-like retreat showcases tiled flooring with a faux wood grain finish, a freestanding tub with a handheld shower, a glass shower with tiled walls and a spa system, a rotating toiletry cabinet with a full-length mirrored back, as well as a contemporary floating vanity with countertop basin and its coordinating floating toiletry cabinet. This home also has recently updated windows and a newer roof, while through a French door entry and down a flight of stairs finished with Berber broadloom is the fully developed lower level, which was updated in 2020. Showcasing luxury vinyl plank flooring, pot lighting, and contemporary light fixtures, this level has storage under the staircase, and the hall off the landing has a storage closet and access to more storage space in the furnace room. While a 3-piece washroom is also found off this hall and features a glass shower with tiled walls and a spa system, as well as a floating vanity with a stone tile backsplash. The recreation area is quite exceptional in its size and has a corner gas fireplace surrounded by floor-to-ceiling brick. Offering abundant space for family enjoyment or for entertaining, this room also has the added convenience of a combined kitchen and bar finished with a tile backsplash, a stainless steel double sink, and a stove, while its cabinetry has impressive storage, as well as wine racks and glass display shelves in the bar area. And this level is complete with a bedroom that has a walk-in closet and which is also ideal for a workout area or home office. Just steps to Gandet-Setiegan Public School and McPherson Park, as well as being a short walk to St. Mary Catholic Secondary School and the Amberlea Shopping Plaza. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.